Hello, my name is Dan Bossie, President of Ag Resource Company in Chicago, and I'd like to give a quick review of the upcoming August USDA crop reports that will be coming out on Wednesday. These reports are some of the largest of the year, particularly of the summer, since they do include the initial NASS survey of yields for both corn and soybeans. And within this report, NASS will also be conducting a 7-state special survey on U.S. corn seeding. So there's a lot that will be in this report. Everybody will be looking at the numbers very, very carefully, and for the corn market, a lot of the trade will be looking for confirmation of some of these very big yield ideas due to coolish July weather and how that translates into, of course, more starch in the kernel and bigger production. First of all, let's start and say that the July report, in terms of NASS numbers, the records have been 40.7 bushels per acre. Yes, you heard that right, 40.7 bushels per acre on soybeans. That number was set back in 2000. The record large U.S. corn yield from NASS in an August report is 155.0 bushels per acre. That was established last year. So the trade is generally looking for records to come forward from NASS for this report. Much of the industry is centered somewhere between 157 and 159 bushels per acre in corn. That would be up somewhere between 2 and 4 bushels per acre from last year's record. And then soybeans are looking for a number between 41.5 and 42.5. That would be up, of course, substantially from the 40.7, as that is being looked from the year prior, from 2000, the 2000 record. So in a general sense, as we view this report, we would expect that the numbers could be somewhat neutral or negative for corn if we do get that kind of yield number as aforementioned. And on soybeans, the trade may be looking for a number that's maybe just a little bit too high. In a general sense, we also look for WASDE, which is going to be the World Outlook Board, to maybe up their estimate in U.S. corn ethanol demand and maybe make a modest adjustment upward in both soybean and corn export demand. So there probably will be demand increases within this report. The USDA will also look at, of course, wheat end stocks. We don't look for many changes there, and in fact, if anything, we do look for a reduction in U.S. wheat exports as our sales and export pace just isn't keeping up with USDA forecasts. So, and as we look at this report, there'll be lots of surprises. We expect big moves in the marketplace. Over the years, there's been, the last 10 years, there's been 5 times the report has been bullish, 5 times it's been bearish, so history doesn't offer us much in terms of either corn or beans, but we will see a lot of energy put forward from this number, and we do expect significant market moves in the days forthcoming. So a very important report. It'll pretty much set the stage for price action into the end of the month. Thereafter, we'll start to think it forward to will we have an extended growing season, and can we get these crops home? This is Dan Bossie from Ag Resource Company wishing you all a good day, and we'll be back to analyze and give you an update on the reports once they come out on Wednesday. But from now, this is the preview of the report as we look forward. Thanks again.